According to our latest report, the triple champion Master Chef has recently gone missing. After days of searching, there's still no sign of him. The new competition round is starting. The title is up for grabs. No one knows if he will return before the contest.
How could the Master Chef suddenly disappear?
What a shame. The Master Chef burst onto the scene and defeated all challengers, then won the championship. He's not only our national idol, but also our pride. I still want to see him win a 4th championship.
I heard someone secretly sabotaged him, trying to harm him.
You don't say? Who would be that bold?
It's possible. He's kept the title for 3 years. Many people are eyeing that spot.
Master, congratulations on becoming the Master Chef for the 3rd time. Master, don't blame me for this. If you don't die, I'll never get to be the Master Chef.
Here's your stuff.
Thanks. Hey! Are you looking for a job? Derek, didn't the apprentice cook Roger already quit? I've brought you a new helper.
Marissa!
Our kitchen is short-staffed, but you can't bring in a beggar.
Derek, just let him try. Otherwise, you'll never know.
Fine. For your sake, I'll let him try. But if he's unskilled, he should be out of here. Listen, tonight,
Mr. Wood from Catering Association will be here, as long as we treat him well.
our restaurant will be 5-star. So
Tonight's banquet is extremely important. We can't afford any mistakes. I can't let a beggar hold us back.
Thank you, Derek. Go, I'll take you to change. Derek?
bro, just for Marissa's sake, I'll let you give it a shot. Start by slicing pork strips.
Okay.
We've strict standards for pork strips. 1 inch long, 3 millimeters wide.
If the strips go over this standard, their taste and texture will be seriously affected.
All right.
Wow, the pork strips are so evenly cut.
Exactly the standard. Not even a smidge off. That's incredible.
His knife skills are much better than Derek's.
Not bad. I'll pass you.
Jeff, I think high of you. Keep it up.
It's just slicing pork. What's the big deal?
Bro, go beat eggs.
All right.
When you beat eggs, there are tricks to it as well. You need to do it evenly and fast. Do it in one go. Mix the egg white and yolk thoroughly.
Then make the chopsticks. Stand up, straight in the bowl.
That's perfect.
All right.
Wow. Bro, You're quite something.
Derek, I think this guy can handle kitchen work.
What did you say? Who's the leader? Hey,
Go coat the tenderloin with batter.
The batter can't be thicker than 1 mm. If you let a single drop spill out, you should get out.
Sure.
Hey, what's he doing over there?
no idea. Bro, if you don't know how to do,
You'd better leave now. Listen up. If you waste this top-quality tenderloin, your whole month's pay won't even cover it.
what on earth are you doing?
Wow, I saw this skill. For the first time, look at his hands. Not a single drop of batter got on them. How did he coat it just now? Magic?
Shut up. Don't you have work to do? Look at what you made. It's totally unusable. Bro, listen up. Don't get cocky just because you know some tricks. Get back to work.
Okay.
Bro, take this dish out and let the servers know.
Why are you standing there? Get moving.
The dish's sauce is way too thick. The texture is ruined. Mr. Wood is a master of fried food. If this dish is served, he definitely won't be happy.
What do you mean?
Are you teaching to me? You mean, I've cooked for 10 years. I'm still not as good as you.
That's right, you're nothing but a kitchen helper. How dare you teach Derek?
Bro, don't you really think
You're actually a chef?
Mr. Wood is already here. The dish isn't ready yet?
All right.
Haha. Mr. Wood, the 5-star restaurant review this time totally depends on you.
Not at all.
Marissa? Mr. Wood, please try this dish. I've heard you're the master of fried food. We especially prepared this tenderloin for you.
Mr. Juarez, you're so kind.
Please. Mr. Wood, what is this about?
Mr. Juarez, this dish is terrible. Are you looking down on me?
Well, Mr. Wood, what are you talking about? Your visit is an honor for our restaurant. There's no way we'd serve a terrible dish to you.
Mr. Juarez, why don't you try this dish? The pieces of tenderloin are uneven. The flavors are all mixed up. Its sauce is too thick and sticky. If this is your cooking level, I advise you should close the restaurant.
It must be the staff who got nervous when they heard you were coming. Please calm down. We'll make a new dish for you. Ha ha. What's going on with Derek? Marissa, tell the cooks to make one of their signature dishes. Keep an eye on them. Make sure nothing goes wrong.
Who cooked the tenderloin?
Well, of course Derek cooked it. Only Derek is qualified to cook for Mr. Wood.
Mr. Wood keeps praising it, right? He wants to meet Derek.
Mr. Wood said the meat was unevenly cut. The sauce was too thick. He hated the taste. He's furious at the table.
What? That guy was actually right.
My dad said hurry up and remake a dish.
But the dish I'm best at is sweet and sour pork.
Mr. Wood is a culinary legend. It was really hard to get him here.
If we can't make a dish he likes, our reputation will be ruined. Guys, who wants to make another dish? If you do a good job, I promise I'll reward you.
Pratt!
What are you doing? Who told you to cut the food?
Didn't the lady tell us to make another dish?
But you're not the one to do it.
If everyone knows we let a beggar cook for Mr. Wood, our restaurant will be teased.
His knife skills are solid and steady. He couldn't be this skilled without years of practice.
I said stop, are you deaf?
Wait. I've decided to let Jeff make the dish.
What? Marissa, do you know what you're talking about? Our guest is...
The influential Mr. Wood.
If you do this, all of us will be finished.
I know exactly what I'm doing. Whatever happens, I'll own up to it.
You... Fine!
Seven Kitchen's future is in your hands now.
Don't worry.
Mr. Wood, please stay calm. There won't be a problem with this dish. Eric? What are you doing here?
Who's he?
Mr. Wood,
I'm the owner of Gold Restaurant. Eric, I heard Seven Kitchen doesn't take you seriously. Disrespected you. So I came by to see for myself.
Don't slander us.
Mr. Juarez, you used the pig slop to serve Mr. Wood. It's clearly disrespectful. I think you can turn your restaurant into a hoggery. Mr. Wood, I may be a rough guy, but I never slack in cooking. Look, I spared no expense to hire 3 chefs. If you come over to my restaurant, I guarantee you'll get to taste a first-class feast.
Mr. Wood, the new dish is almost ready. Kindly wait a little longer. If Mr. Wood leaves today, our reputation will be completely ruined.
Come on. What's there to wait for? You can't even make a decent dish.
how could you possibly have the cooking skills to serve Mr. Wood? Mr. Wood, please.
Mr. Juarez, I'm sorry. I need to leave.
Wait a second. Mr. Wood, before you leave, why not try this dish first?
Oh my, after such a long time, I thought you had something amazing. Turns out it's a pile of crap. Is this even edible?
Marissa, at this moment, you're still making jokes.
In my opinion, you 7 keys. You're just messing with Mr. Wang. You don't want to treat Mr. Wang. You don't even think about treating Mr. Wang. Well, Mr. Wang, come with me to my restaurant. I promise to make you eat happily.
This aroma is silky and smooth. It's as if I'm in paradise.
Mr. Wood, could you please give us one more chance and try this chicken?
Of course I can. Hey, this...
Eric, what are you doing?
Accident.
I think you're trying to make trouble for us.
You're right. I just can't stand your restaurant. The reason I came today is to see your restaurant.
Shut down.
What exactly are you trying to do?
Mr. Wood, please be our witness. I'm gonna challenge their restaurant in a
Life or death showdown.
Life or death showdown? Are you crazy?
Dad, what's life or death showdown?
It's a rule in our culinary field. When two restaurants are in competition, either side can issue the showdown to the other. The other side can't refuse best 2 out of 3. The loser has to shut down and can never work as a chef again.
Rules are rules. Since Mr. Juarez understands, let's get everyone ready.
If you want us to shut down, let's see how capable you are.
Mr. Juarez, stop kidding yourself. What can your useless cooks
Possibly do.
You should admit defeat now.
In the cooking business, knife skills are very important. They directly affect the taste and quality of every dish. That's why mastering knife work is the requirement for being an outstanding chef. The first round is about .knife .skills. He's from the Dorseys.
Is that Dorsey's impressive?
The ancient Dorsey bloodline were butchers.
Are they the famous Dorsey family?
That's right. Their cooking may not be at the top level, but their ancestors already possessed masterful knife skills. In our nation, no one dares claim their knife skills are better than them. I can't believe Eric hired a man from the Dorseys.
Who can participate in this round?
Lady, he's from the Dorseys. How could we beat him with knife skills?
Hey, if none of you can enter the contest, just admit defeat. Don't waste everyone's time.
Who said there's nobody? I'll do it.
You? A woman? Ha! Wait, with your skinny arms and legs, you can't even hold a knife steady. Want to compete in knife skills? How about being my woman? Ha ha ha! Alas, women shouldn't
Be showing off in public.
After all, your restaurant is about to shut down. Why not come with me? What do you say?
I'll be taking you on this round.
Dad, let him do it. I believe in him.
All right.
Master! Marissa, are you crazy? If we let a beggar join, we're bound to lose. A beggar? Has your restaurant really fallen so low?
You don't even have an actual chef. How could you send out a beggar?
I think Seven Kitchen is destined to lose. The century-old restaurant actually ends up like this.
How could they come up with this? They're simply insulting this contest.
Brat, competing with me
Is your life highlight. Today is going to be the peak of your career as a chef. Enjoy it.
Let's begin.
Sure. You're stubborn. I hope your skills won't embarrass you.
Is it
The Dorsey family's legendary skills? It truly lives up to the hype.
The knife moves like the wind. The fillet is paper thin, with no wasted meat. The blade is like dancing right on the fish. This knife skills are pure art.
It's the highlight of my life to witness the knife skills.
No wonder he's the Dorsey's descendant.
Brat. Now,
It's not late to kneel and beg for mercy.
Is he asleep?
I don't know. Maybe he knows he's bound to lose, but is too embarrassed to just give up, so he's stalling for time on purpose.
We should just admit defeat. He's embarrassing himself. Oh, brat. Are you giving this fish a massage? Ha ha ha!
That knife work is downright ugly. Ha 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 ha.
My grandma can slice better than him.
These fillets are so thin and clear like silk. No wonder it's the Dorsey's skills. What a good cut. But this is nowhere near that level.
An amateur is just an amateur. Where does he get the guts to show off up there? Ha ha ha.
Exactly.
I should take the stage myself.
At least I wouldn't lose so badly. Mr. Wood.
The outcome's pretty obvious. You can announce the result.
All right. I declare the winner of round 1 is...
Hey, hold on. Look at the fish tank. Oh, what?
How is this possible?
His knife moves are too fast. The fish's body didn't even have time to react before the fillet was sliced off. That's why the fish skeleton still keeps swimming. If I hadn't seen it myself, I'd never believe someone could be so incredibly skilled in this world.
This can't be real.
Mr. Wood, can you announce the result?
I declare the winner of the first round is 7 Kitchen.
That's great.
Hey Marissa, you brought Jeff here? Who exactly is he?
I don't actually know. I never expected he has high cooking skills.
Aren't you from the Dorseys? Huh? How could a beggar be even better than you?
Impossible. My family's knife skills are matchless.
Who exactly are you?
Enough. You're useless. Take your knife and get lost.
You just win 1 round. Look how happy you are. Don't come begging to me later on.
The second round starts now. The topic is noodles.
Mr. Curtis, noodles are your specialty. Go on and teach them a good lesson.
Don't worry. For 3 generations, my family has served in the palace. My specialty is noodles. I've the emperor's favor. All these years in the noodle field, I've never been afraid of anyone.
That's some big talk. Round 2. Let me take you on.
Derek. This guy looks kind of familiar. I bet he's quite something. Be careful.
Don't worry, boss. Look at his feeble old body. His noodles must not be chewy.
He's not easy to deal with. Be careful.
So what? Even if he's a royal chef, does he know modern noodles?
You're just a helper. You're scared for sure. Today I'll open your eyes.
So let you see what the real Noodle King is.
Derek is amazing. Make it look effortless. This skill makes the noodles stretch evenly. Every noodle has the chewy bite.
See that, old man? You lost. You're no match for me at all.
Such a fool.
What a petty trick.
It's useless.
I remember now. He's the Noodle King, Leroy Curtis.
That's right. Only descendants of the Curtis can make this dragon noodle. Hurry up. Blanch the noodles.
Mr. Wood, please.
Is there still hope?
He lost.
What? You... How could you?
I'm gonna win. Round 2. Gold Restaurant wins.
What? How's that possible?
Alas, now it's 1-1. It's a tie. If we lose one more round, we'll have to live on air.
This final round has no restrictions. Each side picks one person to cook a dish, and we'll be the judges.
This round determines the fate of our restaurant. Jeff, can I trust you?
What? Marissa, you want him to compete?
He's just a helper. What can he do?
Exactly. Even if he knows some unusual tricks and happened to win a round, it's not real cooking.
Do you really want me to go up?
Yeah?
All right.
Looks like you won't give up until you hit a dead end. Mr. Cabrera, it's your turn now.
How's this possible? It's actually him.
Dad! Do you know him?
He's Howard's apprentice, the grand apprentice of the master chef.
Howard's apprentice. My grand apprentice?
Brat.
You're lucky today. If you lose to me, you can brag about it in the future.
Oh, no. Howard's apprentice? Who could beat him?
What are we going to do?
Round 3. Let's get started.
Sea cucumber, abalone. He's making the legendary soup, Golden Jumps.
The Golden Jumps has a complicated process. Besides using a sharp knife to prep the ingredients, the chef also needs to be precise with the ingredients and the heat, just to keep all that umami.
I've only seen the master chef make this on TV. Today I get to see it with my own eyes.
That helper is also making Golden Jumps.
In order to beat me, how dare you copy my instructions? So shameless.
Who says I'm copying you?
How do you know how to make this dish?
Didn't expect that helper actually has some skills.
Seven Kitchen really is full of talents. He's on par with Cabrera.
He's so fast. No, I'm the heir to the master chef. I absolutely can't lose to a helper.
Jeff.
I'm fine.
You can't even get the heat right. Actually blew up the soup. You're the first one. Everything's a mess.
Is this how Howard taught you to cook?
I don't need you reminding me what my master taught me. Winner takes all. You're just a kitchen helper. Stop acting like you're an expert.
Jeff, don't stand there. There's still time. Still make another dish.
It's too late. Only 2 minutes left. Not even enough time to stew. Most importantly, all the ingredients are ruined. How?
Guy, you can use the leftover ingredient to make a new dish.
Only a cabbage left. What can he do? Cabrera made Golden Jumps.
It's over. I advise you to throw in the towel now. Otherwise, you might just blow up this hall.
We never admit defeat.
Hey, kitchen helper. Ah, even if you can
Carve the cabbage into a flower, it still can't beat Golden Jumps.
What's he doing? Huh?
Boiled cabbage? He insisted on doing some disgraceful things.
Grasp at straws.
Wow, smells so good.
Is this what Golden Jump smells like? Its smell makes my knees weak. If I can take a bite, I could die happy.
No wonder it's the legendary soup.
The legendary soup really lives up to its name. I declare the final winner is Gold.
Wait. My dish is ready. You haven't tried a bite. How do you know? He already won.
Hey, kitchen helper. Mr. Wood already made his decision. What are you objecting to?
Young man, even if your cooking skills are truly next level, a cabbage can never beat Golden Jumps. That's the difference in ingredients, not cooking skills.
Mr. Wood, since he insists on embarrassing himself, just let him see the truth. Oh, isn't it just boiled cabbage?
Did I really trust the wrong person?
This. That's right. It's really this dish. Young man, how can you make this?
Mr. Wood, what exactly is the dish?
The Master Chef's recipe? Boiled cabbage.
No way.
Boiled cabbage. Isn't that the dish from the championship?
That's right. This dish has topped the state banquet menu in our nation.
Even my master couldn't pull it off. How could you ever manage it? You can fool others, but you can't fool me. It's delicious.
I declare 7 Kitchen wins the showdown.
Awesome, we won.
According to the rules of the showdown, from today, Gold Restaurant is permanently closed.
Mr. Richard, I hope we never see you in our restaurant again.
Miss, leave him to us.
Just you wait. Steal our recipe, huh?
Fine.
I'll tell my master. We'll settle this score one day.
Do as you wish.
Master,
I ran into a brat today. He actually made boiled cabbage. It's absolutely true. Jeff, you're actually still alive. Master, the competition is coming up. That guy will be your obstacle. So should we take some action? No need. Jeff, even if you narrowly survived, you've already lost the most important thing to a chef. In this life, you will never become a top chef. This year's Master Chef will definitely be me. It can only be me.
What are you doing?
Who exactly are you?
I'm the beggar you found.
You're still lying.
Boiled cabbage. Only one person in the world can cook it. Master Chef. You're the Master Chef. Jeff?
Was what Mr. Wood said true? Are you really the Master Chef?
Yes.
You really are the Master Chef. Master Chef, we all failed to recognize you. Please forgive us.
It's fine.
Will you join the competition in 3 days? Why?
The day you found me, I lost my sense of taste. If a chef lost his sense of taste, he can never become a top chef. Even if I joined the competition, I couldn't win.
I don't believe. Try this. What does it taste like? This is salt. Don't worry. I'll definitely cure you. You're the Master Chef. You can't always work as a helper. In my family, there's a secret recipe to cure loss of taste. Hold him down, guys.
No, don't do this.
Sorry, Master Chef.
What are you doing?
Miss, is that okay?
My dad said the hot and cold contrast can help stimulate taste recovery. It can speed up the blood circulation on your tongue. How is it? Is it super salty?
No. I just choked on it.
If that's the case, I'll have to use the final trick. Our family has been chefs. These are 108 kinds of spices we collected. With the stimulation of different flavors, your taste must be back. Can you feel anything?
All I can tell is the texture of powder and sauce. As for the taste, I still can't feel anything.
Could it be that the spices are expired? Try it. It's not expired, though. So still not enough. Let's try again.
Wow again? No need.
Marissa!
I really can't do it anymore.
Let me rest.
Do you feel anything now?
Not really.
There's no way to restore your taste?
Marissa, so be it if it can't be cured. I feel like a regular life isn't that bad. It's peaceful. Also, I can do whatever I want.
No! I won't give up. You're the master chef, our national prodigy. My dad knows a lot. I can ask him. He must have his ways.
Hey Marissa, I'm touched that you care about me, but I think maybe this is fate. My career as a chef might be over.
Jeff, can I go in?
Yeah, have a seat.
Actually, I used to hate cooking and didn't want to take over the restaurant.
Really?
Can't see it, right?
Yes, I can't. After all, today you tried several times to save the restaurant.
When I was a kid, my dad was obsessed with cooking various dishes and neglected me and my mom. So my mom always fought with my dad. Back then, I made up my mind. I'd never become someone like my dad. I wouldn't be a chef and take over this restaurant. Until 3 years ago, I met you.
Me?
Yeah?
I don't remember meeting you.
3 years ago, my dad took me to watch the contest. I saw you step onto the stage, looking quite nervous, really anxious.
That was my first time joining such a big contest. It was way bigger than I expected.
But when you walked up on stage and picked up the knife, the look of focus on your face, your sharp knife skills, and your happiness after you finished cooking, plus the smile of the judges when they tasted your food, made me realize cooking is something that can make you and others happy. So I decided to become a chef like you. I asked my dad to teach me how to cook.
Marissa, I'm sorry. I've already lost my taste. It's impossible for me to be a chef again, let alone return to the MasterChef contest.
Wait a second. Look, This is your first year competing in Master Chef contest. This one is you won the trophy. And this is your second year joining.
Okay, that's enough. Stop it.
I'm telling you all this not to make you feel bad, but to let you know I used to be your fan, and I'll always be your fan. In the nation, you're lots of people's idol. Many people still like you. So pull yourself together, even if it's for your fans, even if it's for me.
Marissa, you saved me. If you want me to be Master Chef, even though I've lost my taste, I'll still win the title. To appreciate your intention.
That's great. I'm gonna tell my dad this news. We'll help you prepare for the contest. Master Chef contest.
Master Chef contest.
I'm happy you'll join the contest.
Marissa, thank you. From today, I will make sure to repay you.
I don't want you to repay me. I just want to stay by your side.
It tastes like orange.
Wait, did you say orange flavor?
Yeah,
Your taste is back.
my taste is back. My taste is really back.
That's great.
Marissa, thank you. You're really my lucky charm.
Mr. Howard, as the top to win this contest, do you have anything you'd like to say to your fans?
I'll win the title and be the new Master Chef.
You specifically chose 7 Kitchen as the arena. Why is that?
Because I'm waiting for someone.
Waiting? Who's the person?
He's waiting for me.
Who's he?
I don't know, but he looks familiar.
Master Chef! He's Master Chef!
Wasn't the Master Chef dead? How could he show up here?
Master Chef, after you coughed up blood, you just disappeared. People said you passed away. Where have you been? Now you're back in the contest. Are you hoping to win again?
The past Master Chef is truly dead. Now I'm just an ordinary chef who loves to cook. The reason I'm here is to tell some people if you want to be Master Chef, you have to use your skills to defeat me. Scheming behind my back won't get you anywhere.
Master Chef versus his apprentice. That is an unprecedented epic matchup.
Yeah. Will the Master Chef take a 4th consecutive win? Or will his apprentice surpass him? I can't wait to see.
Master,
You're useless, what? And lost your taste now. How do you have the nerve to embarrass yourself?
Even if I've lost my taste, you're still no match for me.
Let's wait and see. The title of Master Chef will be mine for sure.
What is Mr. Howard trying to do? We're not sure just yet.
It's dragon carving. What he is making is the lost state banquet dish, dragon carving.
According to legend, dragon carving tastes savory, sweet, sour, and spicy. It has all kinds of flavors. The only pity is this dish has been lost. We can only imagine its taste in recipe books.
Yeah, I didn't expect I can see this legendary dish. I wonder what dish the chef will use to compete.
Humph. So mysterious.
No wonder it's the #1 state banquet dish. This is the documented taste.
It's the taste. It's exactly the taste. No wonder you're his apprentice. Now, I'm more excited to see what the chef will make.
Clear broth noodles? Did I see that right?
It's really clear broth noodles. What is the chef thinking? Is he trying to use the noodles to compete?
My dear master, are you planning to just give up?
Master Chef,
This is...
You must be starving. Try it.
Thank you.
Don't rush. It's all yours.
This is just a bowl of noodles.
Right now, I'm thinking of my late mom.
When I was a kid, my mom made this. It's the exact flavor. Really? It's just a bowl of noodles. The judges are moved to tears. Is it really that good?
You can try it too.
Really? Isn't this a dish just for the judges? Can I try it too?
A chef's job is to ensure everyone can enjoy great food.
Here, everyone, try it.
This familiar taste reminds me of my grandma.
I thought of my ex-wife.
After discussion,
We announced
the winner is Master Chef Jeff. Great.
No way. Impossible. You must have bribed judges and audience. My dragon carving wouldn't lose to your noodles. Cheating. You're cheating. I'll expose you right now. That's impossible. How could this be? How could the noodles have this flavor?
As long as you cook with love and believe your food can bring happiness to everyone, any ingredient can become a delicacy. Anyone can be a master chef.
Great.